There's another issue for you to remember, which is very important. That means when you try to connect the cable of the hydraulic station motor to the PLC controller box,
Yeah.
you have to maybe the times you test check the rolling direction of this motor. So this motor rolling direction should be like this.
Yes, with the clock. With
with clock.
With the clock. Yes.
With the clock, not anti-clock.
Okay.
Like this one.
Okay. Okay.
Ah.
Yeah, it's good to know that I know it's connecting good. It's not connecting
offside.
offside.
No.
Okay.
So this one.
Yes.
Or should.
Yeah, that's very important for the motor.
Yeah. So that means if you maybe sometimes before you connect before you start rolling, you cannot know.
No.
But if you know the rolling is opposite direction,
Yeah.
you just only
Switch.
exchange one. Maybe the red line go to here, the blue line go to here. Just exchange two.
Just the red and the blue.
Two of them.
Okay.
Just only two of them. That's all. Maybe you change the yellow with the red. That's all. The red line will be good to the yellow. The yellow line will be good to the red, and keep the blue one alone. No
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
那里边的点 yes。
就它拆下来也行。Or maybe you only need to. Or maybe you exchange here. If you think the motor rolling direction is opposite, you
Yeah.
just change it to be like this.
Okay. 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 I change it
Two of
here
them.
or there.
There, yeah.
Yes.
Here or there. Here or there. Just two. Or maybe these two. Maybe these two. Or maybe these two. All over there. It's okay.
Yes.
All of them is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. I understand.
看到呀？
干气，
还有这个。还有这个。
这都不用动，
这个。
插一下。
And this one. You see. This one.
Yes.
The cable is combined from the machine, from the block machine.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
能拍着吧？
I think it's the feeding of the
The sensors.
sensors.
All the sensors line. All of 来拍着。All of the sensors line will be followed to the box, the white
Okay.
box.
Yes.
And this one already connected. There's no need for you to do any other adjustment.
Okay. Okay.
Will be followed. Will be followed. This one is for this cable is from the machine, right?
Yes.
It's
yes.
from the machine. You will find out the main machine means means the block machine. The block machine. You will look it. That's all.
Yes. Yes.
Just insert
Yes.
and lock it.
Just plug.
This is the first one, and there's another. This another cable. This cable is from the hydraulic station. There are only two. The second
Only
one.
two. Okay.
You see,
Yes.
all of the signal is from the waves.
Yes. Yeah.
All of the waves, the signal line will be fixed on this
Connected,
small connected by this box, oil
Okay.
tank junction box.
Okay.
Oil tank junction box
Yes.
will be fixed here. So this cable also and also here, you see, oil tank.
Yeah.
Oil tank.
Yes.
It's for the oil tank, right?
Yes.
Will be also inside. Lock it.
Okay.
That's all. Yeah, that's all.
Yes. Okay. That's good. That's the connecting things. Oh, I just was looking for this.
Yeah, just looking for the word on the
That's,
box plate templates.
Okay, this is another one. That's
Another
not.
one.
It's not. It's not there with that machine. That is for other machine.
For your machine. For
Yes.
your own machine.
This one.
Oh, this one no.
Oh, okay.
And this one no.
Okay.
This one no.
Okay.
I think that's
Okay.
all.
This is clear because you also have it here on the
Yes, the diagram for this one.
Yes, we can see it there how it's.
And also，你按照之前我给你列那个顺序，你给我提示啊。I want to introduce the sensor.
Yeah.
Sensors. This location is the topest location for the upper mode. You know the upper mode will be moved up and down. So this one is the topest location.
Okay.
To stop, you know, the upper mode. So upper mode will lift up to here. If this ion touching, not touching, that means approaching, right?
Yes.
Not touch. It's not touch. It's approaching. Approaching the sensor. The sensor lighting will be light. Lighting will be light. So it will stop. So sometimes this one is the control the up mode, down location, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, sometimes if you find out the block height you want to produce is a little higher than what you need.
Yes. Than the meeting.
The meeting.
Yes.
So that means you plan to make your blocks is more lower, right?
Yes.
More lower. So you will try to adjust this sensor a little down.
A little bit down.
A little down. Yeah.
Yes. I understand.
Yeah. And also maybe when you find out your block height it's okay, just okay. It's correct size as you want. But you would like to make your blocks to be more stronger. There's two ways for you to adjust. There are two ways. And no, there's only one way. There's only one way is for you to adjust the vibration time.
The vibration time.
Yeah,
Yes.
because the height. Sorry, I made a mistake. Because the height of the blocks is already fixed. It's correct.
Yeah.
So if you adjust this sensor down, so that means the height of the blocks you will produce is lower.
Yes.
It's not 200 millimeter, maybe 198 or 197.
Okay, it's not 20
Not
centimeters.
20 exactly.
Okay.
But if you want to produce your blocks, you just need to adjust the parameters.
The parameters from the.
So that means you can adjust the the vibration time of the feeding to be a little longer, maybe just one more second.
Longer.
Longer.
Yeah.
1 more second vibration time. So that means when the material cut come to here, come to here to feed in the material, the longer time of the vibration. That means the material will be
stronger.
Stronger and
Yes.
more solid. You're
More
right.
solid. Yes.
More solid. I think that's one. That's
Okay.
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 That's okay.
Yes. It's not difficult to understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also for the belt. For the belt, sometimes you should use your hand to inspect, to measure whether the belt is soft or tight, loose or tight. So this one is also key. But if you think the belt is easy to remove, that means you need to tighten the belt, right?
Yes.
To tighten the belt, so you can tighten this one screw.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
yes.
screw.
Yes. Yeah.
Try to make this motor
to put it
a little
bit,
far away from the machine.
Yes.
看到吗？To adjust this screw, try to make this motor
Yes.
a little far away from the
Little far,
machine.
Yes.
Yeah,
You
that's all.
have the same one on the other
The same
side
one
also.
at the other side. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. That's good.
that's all.
Yes.
Yêu quẻ, like this one. Son này, cái thằng nào vậy? Yes, like this one. Before we deliver our block machine, we will remove this this pipe
Yes.
away from the hydraulic station. But we will mark every the hydraulic oil hose.
Yes.
Maybe we will mark the liter A,
Yeah.
A, B, no,
A1.
A1, A2, or B1, B2,
Mm-hmm.
C1, C2, D1, D2. And also by the mouse, also A1, A2,
Mm-hmm.
B1 or B2. So you will find out the
Yes.
number.
The connecting.
You connect it by yourself.
Okay.
That's all. That's all.
Okay.
它高度是吧 Okay. And the next step for you to understand how to adjust your block machine body height.
Okay.
Because you know in your order you also produce the pivots also with the hollow blocks. Normally the hollow blocks height is 200 millimeter.
Yeah.
But the pivot's height is only 60.
60. Yeah. Maximum
60,
is 60.
maximum is 60 millimeter. So what I mean is maybe today, this month you produce hollow blocks. Maybe next month you will plan to produce the pivots.
Pivots.
So you have to exchange the mode, right?
Yes.
After you exchange the mode, but the material card platform like this one, the material card, because the hollow block mode is more high.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And the pivot mode is more lower, is lower. So you have to adjust the material card platform like this one.
Okay.
So you will adjust this.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Yeah, 4 screw.
Up and down.
Up and down the screw. You will lose it and try to use. We will give you the lifter, cracker,
Yeah.
to push, and to lift up the body.
Okay. Just wait. What you gonna is gonna lift just this one?
Just no,
this is all
of this.
Okay.
你上这能拍着这个 this screw, and also on the side also should be loose firstly.
And then what you gonna wait? I'm looking. You're gonna lift up all of the machine.
Not only this part. Only this part.
Only this part.
Only this part.
Okay.
But the front part.
That is okay. Okay.
Because this screw is connected
Wow.
this part with the machine.
Okay. Wait. Oh yeah, I see it now. This is
Separate.
another separate
Separate
okay.
parts.
Okay. Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
It's good.
And also.
And then sorry, then I have to make this one because after when I finish I have to replace it like this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Before I remove this one, I have to know how much is this one.
Yes, you're right. You're
Okay.
right.
After I finish, I'm gonna replace it.
Replace that again.
Replace that
get back
again. Okay. And how much I have to lift it?
Normally, you see your hollow block height is 200 millimeter.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
your pivot is 60. Normally, you have to decrease 140.
140.
140.
Okay. 40 centimeters.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, you should. 从那边录。Anyway, yeah. Alpha, you stand here.
Yeah.
Anyway, that means you have to keep. 校长，你给我找个那个什么东西折一下。可以，对。Anyway, the times you plan to, that means you should keep this part.
Yeah.
Yeah. with the mold at the same level.
Yes. Yes.
This one is the mold.
Mhm.
This one mold level. This one is the material cut level.
Okay.
So it should be at same level.
Same level.
Same flat.
Yes.
Flat one.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes. Because the model of the pavé is
it's short.
short
It's short.
than the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. I replace first the mode, and then I lift up the other one till the mode side. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's not okay.
Okay.
Firstly, you have to remove the
Remove the
mold and
mold,
fix the new mold.
the new mode.
After you fix the new mold, you will lift up the material cut platform.
Yes.
Yeah.
To that level of
Make the level.
of the.
And after that, you should adjust this screw. This one
Yes.
and this one. There are also four
Yeah,
outside the
other
location.
side.
This one.